Agum, my other half, my constant, I just want to say thank you for loving me then until now. It was always been my dream to walk down the aisle with you. And thanks for making my dream church wedding come true.
Hit me where the heart is, let me know what the best part is.
Emerson at Nicole, pagnilayan natin ang mga salita ng Diyos sapagkat ito'y magiging gabay po ninyo sa buong pagsisimula bilang mag-asawa. Kaya Emerson at Nicole, maging tapat bilang mag-asawa hanggang kalagayan.
Tell me how to hold you. I'll be who you want to. Baby, let me know. Show me.
Saksi ang Diyos sa dami ng pinagdaanan natin sa ating relasyon. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat, andito tayo ngayon, patuloy na pinipili ang isa't isa. Thank you for embracing my flaws and celebrating my strengths. Thank you because even though there are times that I'm unlovable, you still love me.
Hit me where the heart is. Let me know what the best part is. I should grow. Love me like you used to. Love me like you used to when I was around. Please love
Nicole Agum, November 17, 2024. Ika 4,266 araw ng ating pagmamahalan. Siguro nga, kapag itinadhana ang isa't isa, kahit ano pang hadlang ang dumating, ay hindi kayang paghiwalayin ang tunay na nagmamahal. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na hindi naghahangad ng kapalit. Hindi ako mapapagod, aalagaan at mamahalin kita. Pangako, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Nahanap ko na ang aking palagi.
How could I ever begin to describe it? I've never felt this way before. Every door opened and let all the light in, and now I can see for miles and miles since I found you. Every day you're showing me how.
Kahit walang laman ha.
Yeah. How could I ever begin to describe it? We got the whole world before us. It's the moment when you know it. This is where everything begins. This is as good as it could get. You give me something that I never will forget. A feeling like this. Like this. A feeling like this. Yeah.
today, I vow to cherish you, love you, and support you in everything that you plan to do. I can't promise an everyday dose of happiness, but I can assure you that I'm always here for you. Hindi magiging hadlang ang distansya sa ating pagmamahalan. Mahal na mahal kita at pipiliin kita sa araw-araw.